Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a fitted Saeco xelsis espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because no water was coming out through the spouts, and it was basically the water pump that needed to be replaced. The one that we'll see right here. After replacing this, the machine was working fine, and we actually ended up doing a tune-up, replacing the gasket from the infuser, deep cleaning the shower screen, deep cleaning pretty much everything, replacing the valve from the underneath, and we also descale the machine. And yeah, so starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Water flow coming out of the machine. And now for the hot water. As you can see, we have good temperature, good water flow coming out over here. And there you have it, Philips Saeco xelsis espresso machine working once again. So thank you for your primary Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.